Hi, welcome back to the channel. When driving a vehicle, any unusual sound can be cause for concern. One common issue that many drivers encounter is a humming noise coming from their car. This persistent sound can vary in intensity and pitch, often leaving drivers wondering about its origin and potential implications for their vehicle's health. One of the most frequent sources of humming noises in cars is tire-related issues. As the primary point of contact between the vehicle and the road, tires can generate a variety of sounds, including humming, under certain conditions. When tires wear unevenly, it can result in a humming noise, especially at higher speeds. This uneven wear may be caused by improper inflation, misalignment, or lack of regular tire rotation. This occurs when parts of the tire tread wear more quickly than others, creating a scalloped or cupped pattern. Cupping can produce a distinctive humming or howling noise while driving. Some tire designs, particularly those with aggressive tread patterns for off-road use, can naturally produce more road noise, including a humming sound. While not directly related to the tire itself, worn wheel bearings can cause a humming noise that may be mistaken for a tire problem. This humming often changes in pitch when turning. The drivetrain and transmission systems are complex and contain many moving parts, any of which can potentially produce humming noises. The differential, which allows wheels to rotate at different speeds during turns, can produce a humming noise when it's low on fluid or has worn gears. Both manual and automatic transmissions can generate humming noises if there are problems with gears, bearings, or low fluid levels. Constant velocity joints, found in front-wheel drive and some all-wheel drive vehicles, can create a humming noise when they start to wear out. In rear-wheel drive vehicles, problems with the driveshaft or its universal joints can cause humming or buzzing noises, while engine problems often produce more distinct sounds like knocking or ticking. They can sometimes manifest as humming noises. Loose or worn serpentine belts or timing belts can create a humming noise, especially when the engine is first started. Worn or misaligned pulleys that guide the various belts in the engine can produce humming sounds. Small leaks in the exhaust system can sometimes create a humming noise, particularly at certain engine speeds. Worn or damaged engine mounts can allow excessive engine vibration, which may be perceived as a humming noise inside the cabin. Sometimes the humming noise may not be mechanical at all, but rather a result of the car's aerodynamics. Slight misalignments in body panels or loose trim pieces can create wind noise that sounds like humming at higher speeds. Aftermarket roof racks or cargo carriers can significantly alter a vehicle's aerodynamics, potentially causing humming noises. The design and position of side mirrors can sometimes create air turbulence that results in a humming sound. While less common, electrical components can sometimes be the source of humming noises. A failing alternator might produce a humming noise as it struggles to maintain proper electrical output. Some vehicles with electric power steering systems may generate a humming noise during operation, especially at low speeds. The presence of a humming noise in a car can have varying implications depending on its source. Some causes, like certain tire noises or aerodynamic factors, may be more of an annoyance than a serious mechanical issue. However, other causes, such as wheel bearing problems or transmission issues, can potentially lead to more significant mechanical failures if left unaddressed. Diagnosing the exact cause of the humming noise can be challenging due to the wide range of potential sources. Professional mechanics often use a systematic approach to identify the origin of such noises. Observing how the noise changes with speed during turns or when shifting gears can provide valuable clues. Checking tires for uneven wear patterns, examining belts and pulleys, and inspecting suspension components can reveal visible issues. Lift inspection. Raising the vehicle on a lift allows for a more thorough examination of undercarriage components like the differential, driveshaft, and exhaust system. Mechanics may use tools like stethoscopes or vibration analyzers to pinpoint the source of humming noises more precisely. While some causes of humming noises are unavoidable due to normal wear and tear, there are steps vehicle owners can take to minimize the likelihood of these issues. Following the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule can help prevent many issues that cause unusual noises. Regular tire rotations, proper inflation, and wheel alignments can prevent uneven tire wear and related noises. Keeping transmission, differential, and other fluids at the proper levels can prevent wear and associated noises. Addressing unusual noises promptly can prevent minor issues from developing into more serious and costly problems. If you like this video, hit the like button, share, and subscribe to this channel for more informative videos.